Hello. In this video, we're going to be going over how to get the Fabric Cobblemon official mod pack on Modrinth. It's right here. You can click the install button. However, let's go over what would happen if it wasn't one of the most popular packs over here. You can click on popular packs or you can click on browse. Both should bring you to the browsing of the mod packs. Again, she's right here. But let's say that it wasn't. You can go up to the search mod packs and type in Cobblemon. There's your fabric. Go ahead and click the install button. And once that's done, we can head back over here and see that it's here. Go ahead and click on the play button to kick it up. And once we're here, you can safely click Don't Show for these updates. We'll click Single Player, and Cobbled Farms comes with it, or you can create a new world. Entirely up to you. Thanks for watching.